Now, this illustration is still dealing with cooking equipment. In accordance with Table 220.55, column B now, because of the size of that range. So that range, say, is 8 to 8 3/4 kW type oven or less. And then notice that the table that we would use to size that branch circuit is Table 220.55, column B. So in the problem, the question is, what is the demand load for a branch circuit in VA for an 8 3/4 kW oven? Step 1, column B to Table 220.55. 8.75 kW, we get an 80% because it's just one range, so just one. We come up with 7. Instead of a connected now load of 8.75, we have a demand load due to the 80% of 7 kW. Now, to get that into VA, we would take the step 2, the 7 kVA times 1,000, and we come up with 7,000 VA and put that in our column to add all of our loads together to determine what the service would be. As we will see as we get deeper into this volume 2 design book. But now you'd say, well, what if I wanted to just put it into amps? Then that's a 240 volt, say, range you see there. So you would just take 7,000, divide it by 240, and that's your amps. Now, I'm not trying to be too simple. We're just talking about how we convert it from one value to another. So our solution and answer, the demand load, less than 1, less than 100%, is 7,000 volt amps.